हेलो हाय आदाब और सत श्री अकाल। एक बार फिर से आ गया हूं मैं आप लोगों के बीच, आपका हमराज आरजे अभिनव, और KYF यानी कि नो योर फैकल्टी सेगमेंट लेकर आया हूं, जिसमें हर बार हम एक स्कूल से, एक डिपार्टमेंट से एक फैकल्टी को लेकर आते हैं, उनके बारे में जानते हैं और उनसे करते हैं चंद सवालात। आज मेरे सामने एक ऐसी ही शख्सियत हैं जिनका नाम है मिस्टर शिवाजी बोराटे। मिस्टर बोराटे इज वर्किंग इन DYP फ्रॉम लास्ट ईयर। ही हैज वर्कड इन जेजो हॉस्पिटल फॉर 30 years एंड इन SNDT 20 years एज विजिटिंग फैकल्टी, जो कि हैं स्कूल ऑफ अलाइड हेल्थ साइंसेज से। आज मैं उनका वार्म वेलकम करता हूं और उनसे सवालात करता हूं। सर कैसे हैं आप? गुड मॉर्निंग।
Yes, good morning, sir. Thank you very much for giving the opportunity.
सर पहला एक सवाल जो अक्सर हम करते हैं,
जी।
टेल अस अबाउट योर जर्नी हियर एट DY पाटिल यूनिवर्सिटी। हाउ हैव यू इवॉल्व्ड एज अ टीचर एंड ह्यूमन बीइंग?
Yeah, teacher. Before teacher, we have to be must as a human being. Without that, we cannot success in any field of aspects. So human being है तो obviously you will be have ability to do the what are the ambitions. So basically my ambition initially was a different, but fortunately or unfortunately can say I have I have just put it into the health industries.
Okay, so you switch
Yeah,
somewhere.
because my ambition was different, but accidentally I just dropped down into this allied health science.
What made you choose the field of allied sciences? How did you prepare yourself for this since school and college days?
Yes. Initially I was doing my BSc level. So that time I was in need of that ki we have to do certain for the society.
Okay.
So I was planning कि भाई नहीं, अगर हमको साइंस में इफ यू आर नॉट गोइंग फॉर सपोज प्रीवियसली माय एम्बिशन वाज बीइंग एज अ इंजीनियर. आई वाज सपोज टू बी अ इंजीनियर, बट unfortunately I could not got opportunity of that and I shifted down to the allied. But
and
it
then
is
you
a
became the doctor.
Yeah, it is a then I came to know it is a great opportunity in my life, because without allied health science or without health science we cannot perform our daily routine life.
Yes.
So it is a very essential, rather than civil engineering will be developed only for you can say the buildings.
Yes.
But being a teacher of allied, I can build the students who will be help in health industry, sir.
Oh, great.
So that is a great opportunity to me to teach the students like a health industry, like allied health science. So I got I can say for myself it is a great pleasure to deliver a lecture for this allied health science
Oh,
students.
great. Dr. Vijay Patil sir is an inspiration for all of us. How has he motivated you?
Yes, that is a great motivation for me, because before that I was work in a government organization, that was Sir Jayabhai Hospital. There I seen lot of patients who are having poor patients. Obviously they cannot afford to get a big hospitals, private hospitals. So I was thinking ki I got chance over here. I saw how Dr. Vijay Patil was with all staffs. He is actually the nature with doing with the all staff like a family member. So I was inspired of that. Addition of that, actually Dr. Vijay Patil has given a certain example of his career, because the Padma Shri Dada, that is DY Patil sir, actually he had given his thoughts that ki Vijay sir has gone to the area like Karnataka, and there he served with the poor patient. He was not expecting for anything those patients. So Dada has given a motivation to him कि you have to work for poor patients. You should not expect what will get back, but blessing from the poor patients. Obviously it will be the great opportunity for Vijay sir, and that inspirations actually comes to us. So I feel again it is a great opportunity for me at DY Patil.
अब कुछ सवाल सर आपकी फील्ड से करूंगा. Can you explain how advancements in allied sciences such as material sciences and nanotechnology have contributed to breakthroughs in the field of renewable energy and sustainability?
Yes.
What are some notable examples?
Yeah, it is actually, can say, I can give an example. Like in Corona,
Yes.
we saw the people, the patient basically, poor patient or patients, literally they were getting lot of complication, lot of threat threats actually.
Yes.
They would get scared of corona, but nowadays you can see कि corona हो गया, चलो हो गया, no issue. But that time, the time is 2020, actually that
crucial
time,
at that
yeah,
time.
it was means everybody was scared of that.
Scared.
So that area, on that situation, our allied health sciences, जो भी paramedical people are there to work directly with the patient. That was a great work from this allied health, or you can say paramedical people. They,
Yes.
because of that, this survivalness was increased from the corona. So throughout the world, you can say the allied health science is a nothing but it is a you can say very important element in our health industry. Without that, you cannot perform the health industry. That is sure, sir.
Great. Allied sciences often play a crucial role in healthcare. Could you discuss the intersection of allied sciences like biology and chemistry with medical research and how it has led to improved diagnostics and treatments?
Yes, I can say one thing over here. अगर एक patient है, a patient goes to the doctor,
Yes.
but doctor will not give the medications until the diagnostic report will come.
Will come.
A simple example I can say over here. अगर कोई patient का blood sugar कम है या ज़्यादा है, डॉक्टर डायरेक्टली बोल नहीं सकता until he gets the report. और सिंपल एग्जांपल, अगर किसी को फ्रैक्चर होते हैं, सो विदाउट स्क्रीनिंग ऑफ एक्सरे, डॉक्टर विल नॉट गिव अ जजमेंट वेदर the patient is having fracture or airline fracture. So this diagnostic is a major role to help the health industry. So doctor without that reports will not give a single medicine also.
Okay. What makes our institution unique? Of course, it's a faculty like us. But
Yes.
what about the factors such as infrastructure, cafeteria, lab and research facilities, the varied courses, and the general environment of learn and fun?
Yeah. You can see over here in D.Y. Patil University, like we are just moving throughout like a nature. So here you can see a very greenery area. One is that the atmosphere is obviously we get a energy, because a simple example, you can say trees are giving oxygen in the day. So obviously we are getting more oxygen, more energy in this area with greenery. Like other aspects, you can say we have a huge library, more than 10,000 square foot.
Yes, definitely.
That library, and we are getting lot of books in all aspects, medical, or you can say law, or any aspects, engineering point of view. There are lot of books available over here, and students are free to enter there and do their studies over there.
Great.
Rather than, you can say, our demo rooms where we are conducting lecture, those are also fully air conditions. The screen and every technology opportunity is there, and we are delivering lectures with LED screen is there, and students are getting lot of information, lot of studies with how we are giving or delivering the lectures.
Okay. What is the greatest lesson you got from your student?
Yeah, greatest lesson in the sense, say for the students, obviously we have to teach them. So how much they respect or how much they response, that is also important. So if the students, they do their studies properly, okay, or sometimes we are seeing that instead of attending lecture, they just certain time they are certain, not all students, but certain students are just roaming outside. So those actually, for that purpose, certain time I have to be very strict. Okay, without permission you are not supposed to leave your lecture hall, or you have to be at the postings, you have to be very attentive with the patient, क्योंकि ये बहुत important aspects है as a point of me, because I have given the lecture for the courses like KDT, that is kidney dialysis technology.
Yes.
जो patient के kidney fails होती है, तो किडनी फेल्स होते तो उनको रिपीटेडली रेगुलरली एवरी अल्टरनेट डे डायलिसिस करना पड़ते हैं सर. डूइंग डायलिसिस मीन्स डायलिसिस करते हैं हम पेशेंट का. सो वी हैव टू बी वेरी अटेंटिव इन द सेंस कि पेशेंट व्हेन वी आर डूइंग डायलिसिस, तो पेशेंट हैज टू बी ऑन द मशीन, patient has to lie down on the bed, and the patient's blood getting come out from one side to the machine. It does the filtration. जो हमारा body kidney का जो functions है वही काम यहाँ पे करता है machine. Because once the kidney is gone, both the kidneys gone, then we have to get the patient for dialysis. तो ये dialysis ऐसी चीज़ रहते हैं जहाँ पे अगर माइनर नेग्लिजेंसी थोड़ी भी अगर कोई हमारे से गलती होती है, सो दैट विल बी अफेक्ट टू द पेशेंट हेल्थ एंड लाइफ ऑल्सो. इट इज लाइफ थ्रेटनिंग ऑल्सो बिकॉज नेग्लिजेंसी विल बी क्रिएट अ मेजर प्रॉब्लम वेर इट विल बी कॉज a patient's health.
If you would have not be a professor, you would be.
Okay, as I told you sir कि अगर प्रोफेसर नहीं होता तो मैं एक सिविल इंजीनियर हो जाता था.
जी, okay.
सो वहाँ पे मैं बिल्डिंग्स डेवलप करते थे. तो जैसे यहाँ पे आया हूँ तो आई एम डेवलपिंग नॉलेज ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स टू बिल्ड देयर करियर.
Sir, my next question is that what do you do in your free time? How do you juggle your hobbies with your career?
Yes, on the free time actually, when I get the free time, I have always found of to read latest knowledge
Okay.
or to see the news. Basically, I'm very fond of to see the news on the TV.
Information seeking.
Yeah, so we must know what is going throughout the world. जैसे हमको स्पोर्ट्स के बारे में पता हो या पॉलिटिक्स है या फिर इंटरनेशनल जो भी इवेंट चल रहे हैं. सो वी मस्ट मीन्स माई सेल्फ आई ऑलवेज सी द न्यूज एंड आई कैन read the books even on latest जो भी advanced technology है, that also I am reading certain books or seeing on the Google also.
What are the career opportunities for students of allied health sciences?
Okay, career opportunities are vast. As I told ki health industries throughout the world, it is a very demandable aspects. Like if you go in health industry suppose, so we will have lot of opportunity to do the work not in India. You can do the work outside of the India, and everywhere there is a great opportunity for the health industry.
Okay, तो सर अब मैं आप लोगों के पास लेकर आया हूँ अपना फेमस रैपिड फायर राउंड. आपसे मैं कुछ सवाल पूछूंगा और आपसे तुरंत उम्मीद करूंगा कि उसके क्वेश्चंस के आंसर हम लोगों के पास आ जाएंगे. I think you are
Yes,
ready.
yeah.
Okay, best advice you got in your career?
Best advice is actually basically I was thinking कि as I told कि I should be have you can say a good human being. First is that.
So you want to be the good human being. Okay, the happiest moment of your life?
Yeah, I struggle a lot when I got the result of MPC. I will get selection through the MPC
Oh wow.
at JJ Hospital, the government of Maharashtra. So when I got the result of MPC, कि you are passed into to get your post as a junior scientific officer at JJ. So that was a great opportunity for me in my life.
Okay, the challenging moment of your life?
Challenging is that कि I have to develop the students with a great knowledge and they can serve in the society as a allied health science.
Okay, so that is a everyday challenge for you.
Yes, that is every day, sir.
Okay, so which actor is your favorite?
Ranbir Kapoor.
Okay,
He's a favorite actor. for
favorite,
me.
nice. Favorite book?
Favorite book is that is Bhagavad Gita.
Bhagavad Gita.
That is a good inspiration for me in my life also.
Which movie you like of Ranbir Kapoor's? Rockstar, Barfi, Bachna Hai
That
How was it?
Burfi. Actually, that was a good.
That was a good work, nice work. Favorite food?
I would like to have mostly misal pav, sir.
क्या बात है. Favorite Indian destination, holiday destination? I mean.
Holiday destination. Indian actually latest I have
Anyway.
recently went at Kaspatar. There, Kaspatar it is in the district of Satara, Maharashtra. There world class level we can see flowers.
Oh, okay.
And that is a very nice. Nowadays people are, this is a season, people are visiting throughout the world that area to see the flowers which are not available anywhere.
Anyway, okay. So there was a rapid fire round, sir. अब मैं आपसे कुछ insights पूछता
Yes,
हूँ
sir.
आपकी लाइफ के. An idea that changed your life. ऐसा कोई एक आइडिया जिसने आपकी जिंदगी बदल दी, मतलब ऐसा कुछ?
हाँ, एक्चुअली आई कैन से कि जैसे मैंने बताया कि यस मेरा लाइफ में आई वाज थिंकिंग टू बी अ लेकिन नहीं होगा. आई शिफ्टेड टू दिस साइड,
Yes.
सो दैट वाज you can say
ओके
a good.
तो वो ये
for me.
2-3 घटनाओं में मतलब वो एक घटना बड़ी कॉमन रही है
हाँ.
ना, इसलिए ओके. हाउ सक्सेस हैज चेंज्ड यू?
Yes, its success has changed me a lot because after getting job at government, obviously it was a great success for me to develop my life.
बेस्ट रोल ऑफ योर लाइफ, फादर, सन, हस्बैंड और टीचर?
Obviously, teacher, because teacher can do all. You can all do. Mothers, fathers, sons.
अच्छा, आई थॉट आप एक जरूर बोलेंगे कि ऑब्वियसली नॉट हस्बैंड, मतलब वो होता नहीं है परफेक्ट.
That we can't.
दैट वी कांट. ओके, व्हाट हर्ट्स यू द मोस्ट, मतलब आपको किससे ज्यादा दुख होता है?
अच्छा, दुख होता है कि अगर
किसी को
स्टूडेंट्स उनका करियर में या स्टडी में अगर फुलफिल नहीं कर रही है या फेल हो रही है या एटिकेट लग रहा है, सो दैट इज आई फील इट इज वेरी बैड फॉर मी.
ओके, सो देयर वाज अ इंसेट्स राउंड और अब मेरे पास है दिस और दैट राउंड, जिसमें मैं आपको ऑप्शंस दूंगा, आपको बस एक ऑप्शन चूज करना है.
Yes, sir.
एंड दिस इज द लास्ट राउंड. ओके, वेज और नॉन वेज?
वेज.
टी और कॉफी?
कॉफी.
जिम और योगा?
जिम.
अर्ली राइजर और नाइट आउल?
अर्ली राइजर.
इमोशनल और प्रैक्टिकल?
प्रैक्टिकल.
ओके, बुक्स और किंडल?
बुक.
माउंटेन्स और बीचेस?
बीचेस.
रिलीजियस और स्पिरिचुअल?
स्पिरिचुअल.
लाइब्रेरी और क्लासरूम?
लाइब्रेरी.
अमेज़न प्राइम और नेटफ्लिक्स?
अमेज़न प्राइस.
ओके, रॉकस्टार और बचना है हसीनो, इनमें से आप कौन सा चूज करोगे?
रॉक स्टार है.
रॉकस्टार. ओके, एनी मैसेज यू वांट टू कन्वे टू एनीवन?
और जैसे एज अ स्टूडेंट इन लाइफ आई विल बी ऑलवेज थिंक अबाउट एज अ टीचर. तो स्टूडेंट लोग ने ऑलवेज थ्रू आउट द लाइफ ये देखना है, ये सोचना है. जैसे हमने डायलॉग सुना होगा, आई थिंक यू पीपल मस्ट बी नोइंग कि पुष्पा का डायलॉग रहता है, ऑलवेज आई से दिस.
हाँ, यस.
तो पुष्पा में बोलते हैं कि भाई झुकेगा नहीं साला. मगर यहाँ पे एज बीइंग स्टूडेंट यू हैव टू झुकेगा नहीं. अगर आप झुकेंगे नहीं तो सीखेंगे नहीं. तो इसके लिए अगर सीखना है तो झुकना है. तो you will be
humble, be polite.
Yeah, you have to polite with the teachers, with the any person who teach you.
And share the knowledge.
Yeah, so you have to get the knowledge.
Okay.
अगर आप झुकेंगे नहीं तो नॉलेज नहीं मिलेगा. इसके लिए अगर सीखना है तो झुकना है भाई.
शिवाजी सर से आज काफी ज्यादा बातें हम लोगों की हुई. आप लोगों के पास जल्दी ही हम लोग लेकर आएंगे इस एपिसोड को भी न्यू फैकल्टी में. थैंक यू सो मच. थैंक यू.
Yes, thank you very much. Thank you very much.